Hey, Phil from Got Memories here. If you turn up your volume, you can hear squealing, which is resulting in this. I've tried this in multiple players, still coming through, so this is unacceptable. You have to take the tape out, inspect. From 1996, so 29 years since it was recorded. I did rewind them. Now, what I do, let's give it a go, because this is from Phoenix, this particular order, so it's local. So, dry conditions, supposedly, as in been stored in climate control. What else? Not in the garage, not heat, it's not dusty. This could just be, again, the tape binder, the tape's just drying out. You can't keep it playing in those machines because it's gonna just wreck the players, the motor, everything. Just looking at this one right now. Tracking, okay, just doing a little tracking adjustment. Keeps popping up at the bottom and then at the top. This is a recording from Video 8 onto VHS via camcorders. You know, let's see. So I'm gonna fast forward, rewind this. Then I'm gonna, if it's still giving me issues, I'm gonna bake it for 8 hours at 140 degrees. Don't see any mold on it. And then rewind it, see if it's still squealing. Watch this. I'm going to put it in one of my rewinders. Well, this is a rewinder, but this is a player with questionable heads and playback issues, but I use them as rewinders. Let's see if it makes a squeal in here. Because it was making a squeal.
Describe it, and it's sort of
It looks like mine's done, but it's a mold.
yeah, it's sort of almost a putty color.
Audio is a bit distorted. Now, let's see if it makes that same noise in this original player, because it was squealing in another player. It's where you always have to have multiple players to second guess and try and recreate the problem, and then you can isolate it being the tape or is it the player, because the players all react differently. See, that's playing smooth now. No. Sometimes because it's upside down. No, it's got an issue. Let's try it in here on this one. Oh, is that all wired up? Yeah, I think so. Let's see here. Because it was playing in that one. Let's see if it's squealing in this one. It's been a busy few days here. I've got a lot of stuff everywhere. See if it's squealing. No, it's not. So what number's that? D11. See, let's check the audio levels, all that stuff. We got 1, 2. Anyway, it's coming through here okay without any of this squealing. So, you rewind it. And this now needs to be relegated over to the repair. Which I'm so backed up on repairs. Oh, it's just non-stop. It's non-stop. All this repairs, just a constant cycle of repairs. Yeah, anyway, Hi8. If you do have squealing and it's that jumpy kind of vibrating picture, you're gonna have to, try it in multiple players, and you're gonna go, if you're doing this yourself, like I say all the time, you're gonna ideally need 5 players, because out of 5, maybe 2 will work. But you need to second guess. If you've got the problem, then you put it in another player. Same problem, Like, I put this same tape in 2 different players and it was squealing. And I'm just looking over here and this is doing it as well. Look at this revert, this, look at that. Yeah, it's doing it on this one as well. But it's not squealing. It's got issues, but look at this. That is completely unacceptable. I'm gonna have to stop this. It's been going for 6 minutes, gotta rewind. I gotta then kind of do some diagnosing. These 2 tapes could have just wrecked these players, and I gotta take them apart. I gotta do all this stuff, but this is important footage that needs to be recovered with clear picture and audio, which any video transfer company worth a shit is going to be doing, which, you know, isn't the norm. Very, very, very small percentage of companies actually taking the time. This all takes time. Time is money, so prices are higher because they're actually being scrutinized and pulled. And I could have a tape going for 1 hour and 20 minutes, look over, and it's been problematic. Got to pull it, got to redo it. Yeah, that's why I say again and again before I start to go into my rants. You get what you pay for. So if you're looking around for a company to do this, Google Maps for reviews. You've got to see a 5.0 or thereabouts with a lot of reviews. And you've also got to see, you know, YouTube content. Or if they don't, then make sure they're talking the right game. You're assuring that they're going to be doing a great quality job. People assume they're going to be doing, but But otherwise, if you're doing this yourself, you're going to need a lot of players. And all this stuff is 30 years old plus, all been, you know, neglected usually, and no guarantees. So anyway, all the best. Cheers.